Okay, Rob here with the GoPro, just learning how to use it. We'll take you for a little tour of the garden here. The flower garden. We got some beans and stuff growing. Okay. Off to the tomatoes. Let's just see what I can do here. There, you can see that. Ooh, I don't like these guys in morning glories. Gotta take them out. These things cause trouble. More tomatoes. More morning glory problems. And of course, the sucker has wrapped around the cantaloupe plant. Just kill it. We're gonna kill it. Because there's that. And that has that wrapped around there. My God. What that's done. Much better. Okay. Cantaloupe right here. I don't know if we have any females flowers or not, but we're going to take a peek. Nothing there. Is that morning glory again, eh? Jesus. These are a pain in the ass, these plants. There. And beautiful plant right there. Cantaloupe. Okay. Look at our tomatoes here, these Manitobas. Or a Mystery Keeper, I think. Oh, this one's got a horn on it, guys. Ooh. It's no good. Well, penis, if you will. There we go. Goes up in there. Ooh, I think did we have one that split? Nope, I thought we did. Looking good. Marigolds. More tomatoes. I think these are Mystery Keeper. Not sure what that is. If they start to ripen from the inside out, I'll know. That's the thing, right? Sunflowers. Beautiful sunflowers. Manitoba tomato. I've been having a lot of trouble with these guys. Yeah, you can see nicely formed tomato, but some of the ones on the other side were really small and they were blowing up. Take a look here. Some nice specimens down there. You can see that one down there hiding in there. And another nice one right there. And then we get a bunch of these small ones, and what was happening is they were blowing up like this one here. Look, you can see that. That's a nasty. But that's the heat and humidity that we've been having here. We have a cucumber plant, but this one is the shorter cucumbers, and I planted them from seed, and I planted some over there. One took over there, and this is it because I shoved it all off to the side, and here it came. And here are the cucumbers. They were supposed to be straight 8, but they're not. So I couldn't tell you exactly what variety they are, but I tell you one thing, they are good. Last year we had straight 8s. This year we got these from the garden center, and I do not know what they are. I have not a clue. And a nice cucumber right there. And another one right there. And then we got some cantaloupes down there and here. Those are wild cantaloupes. Basically what I did is I threw out a cantaloupe I bought from the store, and here, lo and behold, is seeds. Alright, we're gonna moving on down here. Hey Moon! How you doing, kiddo? How you doing, sweetie? Nah, she's not into a cameo today. Tobacco plant. Didn't do a real good job with the tobacco plants this year, and we got dill. But this is our first year with the tobacco. We'll get better at it next year. We're not gonna beat ourselves up. And then we got the watermelon. Okay. This is the GoPro 7 that I'm using, guys. And tell you, so far I'm impressed. We got scattered remnants of some of the survivors. We can see that the scaly bark down over there that I put over here is suffering from heat. Just heat stress, I guess, which is weird for a watermelon, but hey, it is what it is. Got watermelon down here, guys. You can see that. I show you. If you can see that. There's one there, and I got a couple more here and there. But generally speaking, there's not too many fruiting right now. I'll show you a better one. Hey Moon! How you doing, girl? Coming for a visit? Alright, so I've hand pollinated some of these guys. There's a nice one right there. You can see it or not. I know I can't. There we are. That's one. And there's another one down there somewhere. Yeah, I can see it. Hiding back there. And then I believe I got one in here somewhere. I will find it. They're around. There it is. You guys see that in the boat? Okay. There we are. That's one right there. And I fertilized another one there today. I took a male flower off of the same plant, so it should be the same seed, but I'm not going to count on anything. Hey Moon, I don't count on anything here. Then the bucket watermelon. We've got fruits. I got 2 of them in there. I got fruit right there. You might be able to see that at home. There you go. And let's see here. I think I got more. I know I do here. Oh, look at that one. That's a nice one. And right here. Got more flowering too, so I expect I'll see some more in the near future. This morning I pollinated. Oh, you are just too cute for words, Moon. Too cute. Yes, you are. Let's rub that belly of yours. Rub a belly. Rub a belly. Hey, kid. Well, alright, back to the watermelon. Some male flowers here. Got a watermelon right there. Should be able to see that one. And I pollinated another one today. Not sure where. There it is. That's the one I pollinated. And I left the male stem in there to give it a better chance with the wind blowing around. Maybe there'll be some more pollen. Alright, we're going to go over to the... Oh, you're just too cute, Moon. You got to steal the show, eh, kid? You're beautiful. Love you, Moonbeam. Now, off to the cantaloupe garden. Now, I've cut the grass today, so I've put down some mulch for the vines to ride on because I've run out of landscape fabric. You can see the multitude of flowers in there. There's buku. I have 4 fruit sets that I'm aware of. There are probably more in there. I'm not sure. I'm betting, but not many more. And here's a couple that I've identified already. These are Minnesota midgets, and somewhere in there, there's another one in there somewhere as well. Further back, I think it's probably over here. But anyway, you can take my word for it or not. Anyway, this is the first shot with the brand new camera. Thought I'd take it out and give it a ride. Yeah, I can kind of see one back in there. I don't know if you guys can see it at home. I doubt it. That's okay though, no worries. Anyway, I'm gassed, so I gotta let you guys go. I'm gonna plug this in and see how it all looks on the net, and maybe I'll just post it. Thanks everybody. Rob out. Gracias amigos.